Have you ever felt like your living room looks a bit too stiff or just plain? Sometimes all it needs is a fresh perspective on the walls. Based on my personal research from various sources, I've gathered some interesting palettes that I believe can truly elevate a space. In this video, I'm sharing 6 paint color combinations to make your living room look high-end. These combinations, featuring shades from Behr and Benjamin Moore, are colors that I find very captivating. My goal is simple. I hope these ideas can help you find new inspiration or the latest design sparks for your own home. We're going to look at how these pairs create a warmer, more sophisticated atmosphere that feels anything but boring. Let's dive into these ideas one by one. Let's start with a bold statement. Terra, Cotta, Urn, and Curtain Call by Behr. Terracotta is more than just orange, it's the color of sun-baked earth, bringing an exotic warmth into the home. However, the key to keeping it from looking dated is its partner, Curtain Call. Curtain Call is a deep charcoal gray with a very subtle violet undertone. Why does this work so well? Because it creates a perfect balance between hot and cold. Material tip. Pair these walls with dark wood flooring and a cream linen sofa. Curtain Call is an excellent choice for a gallery wall. It makes gold or wooden frames pop with incredible intensity. Moving to our second palette, for those dreaming of what I call quiet luxury, Nocturne Blue and Almond Wisp by Behr. The deep, midnight navy of Nocturne Blue is a color that represents stability, confidence, and a certain level of intellectual depth. It's bold yet incredibly grounding. A common mistake many make is pairing such a deep navy with a stark, bright, clinical white. In my observation, that high contrast can often feel too cold or jarring. That's exactly where Almond Wisp comes in to save the day. This color has a whisper of a warm almond undertone, a creamy beige that acts as a gentle embrace for the dark blue. It softens the entire atmosphere, making the room feel expensive rather than dark. This duo looks absolutely breathtaking under warm white lamps. Because of the subtle undertones, the light bounces softly off the Almond Wisp while making the Nocturne Blue look incredibly velvety and sophisticated. It transforms your living room into a cozy, high-end sanctuary as soon as the sun goes down. Next up is a combination that feels very close to nature. Terracotta clay and hidden gem. If you're looking for a living room that feels organic and relaxed without losing its premium edge, this is the winner. Hidden gem is a muted teal green, a dusty shade that is incredibly soothing to the eye and mind. When it sits next to the earthy warmth of terracotta clay, a beautiful natural harmony occurs. It's reminiscent of a desert oasis or a Mediterranean sunset. From my perspective, this palette captures that high-end bohemian vibe perfectly. It suggests that the homeowner has a curated artistic eye and isn't afraid to play with color. To really bring this look to life, I suggest using natural textures. Think rattan furniture, jute rugs, and plenty of indoor greenery. Real plants will blend seamlessly with the hidden gem on your walls, making your space feel fresh, breathable, yet undeniably premium. Now, we turn to a combination that I've seen in so many beautiful spaces, Silhouette and Swiss Coffee by Benjamin Moore. If there is one white paint you need to know for a high-end look, it's Swiss Coffee. It's a favorite for a reason. It possesses a creamy richness that avoids looking stiff or like a gallery wall. When you pair it with Silhouette, which is a soft, multi-dimensional charcoal black, you achieve the gold standard of the modern classic style. It's dramatic, but in a very refined way. I recommend using Silhouette on a single focal wall, perhaps the one behind your TV, your favorite art piece, or a fireplace. Let the Swiss Coffee take over the rest of the room to keep it bright. To finish the look, incorporate metallic accents like brushed brass or silver. These metals against the dark Silhouette wall add an undeniable touch of opulence. For those who love a cozy earth-toned sanctuary that feels like a warm hug, choose Southwest Pottery and Sherwood Tan. This pair uses a monochromatic technique, meaning they come from a similar color family. Because of this, the visual transition as your eyes move across the room is incredibly smooth and harmonious. In my opinion, this is the best choice for a home that wants to feel traditional and rooted, but still look up to date. It removes any sense of rigidity by being inherently welcoming and soft. These colours harmonise perfectly with dark brown leather sofas or elegant rugs with ethnic or vintage patterns. This combination creates a space where guests feel comfortable staying for hours. It's an inviting atmosphere that says luxury through comfort and warmth rather than flashiness. Finally, we have a masterpiece in purity and light, Egyptian sand and marble white. To me, this palette is the essence of luxury hotels you might find in Dubai or Paris. Egyptian sand is a sophisticated neutral that gives a very faint golden glow to your walls. It ensures the room never looks pale, washed out, or empty, even when the decor is minimal. When paired with the crispness of marble white on your ceilings, trims, and moldings, your living room will feel instantly more spacious and airy. It's the perfect solution for smaller living areas that want to maintain an exclusive high-end vibe. To maximize this effect, add a large mirror with a minimalist frame. When sunlight hits the Egyptian sand walls, the reflection creates a natural shimmer and a sense of openness. It's a simple way to make your home feel incredibly expensive, bright, and meticulously designed. At the end of the day, choosing a color is a very personal journey. What I've shared today are simply combinations that I find beautiful and believe can bring a more high-end feel to a room without making it feel cold or rigid. I really hope these 6 palettes can help you find the inspiration you've been looking for, or perhaps give you a fresh idea for your next home project. Everyone's taste is unique, so feel free to experiment with these as a starting point. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you create a space that you truly love. See you in the next video.